M3 one more time.
Okay, copy that. I'm going to get my tools here real quick. Could you hang here just for a minute?
Yeah, let me...
Doug Wheelock receiving the go-ahead to go back to that balky quick disconnect and give it one more try.
And
okay, Shannon, I'm going to need you to take me... go ahead, Oscar.
Yeah, the reason we're trying M3 is we've seen a slight pressure drop in that line, so we want to give it one more try.
That's beautiful, okay. All right, Shannon, I need to go station zenith about 8 inches or so. I'll tell you when the...
Okay, stop station zenith about 8 inches, and I'm ready when you are.
I'm ready to go.
All right, starting motion up on the hand controller.
Good motion.
Okay, good motion.
Okay, stop motion.
Stopping motion.
Okay, that's good position right there.
All right, I'll put the brakes on.
Move on you a second.
Okay.
I got to stay clear of this M4 line, and now that it's my face.
Let me know when you're ready, TC.
Yeah, I can do this.
Yeah, I think I got your safety tether. All right.
I'm going to drop down and get my
Okay.
Wheels?
Oscar,
yeah, Wheels, we don't have a
go
for M3 yet. We're waiting for Thor to finish up some commanding, so stand by.
Roger that. And just making the initial assessment, the button is still frozen up. Like it's up. I can tell it's up, but I can't depress it.
Copy.
But I haven't tried to move the bail yet, so.
Wheels, we have a go to attempt M3, closing again.
Okay. First thing we're going to do is push full forward, yeah. Try to get that forward force and get the button.
That's correct. Remember what Dave was saying, you want to put the full force on there, then attempt to push the button, and then go right back while holding the button down. Don't let go of the button once you get it down.
Roger that. They're not cooperating, but let me try to tap it a little bit.
Wheels, if you want, we think the scoop may give you a little better hammer. You have a go to attempt with the scoop on the button.
Okay. Kulak bag 2, I think, yeah. Oh, no, Kulak bag 1. No, Kulak bag 2.
Bag 2, Wheels.
This is Mission Control Houston as we approach the 6-hour mark in this spacewalk. Doug Wheelock still having trouble with that first of the 1.5-inch quick disconnects. The detention button seems to be stuck. And so he's taken one of the tools, the special horseshoe tool he's been using to demate the connectors, and banged on that button a little bit. And now he's going to see if he can get a different tool called the scoop tool and see if that would be any better at tapping on that device. There's a possibility there might be some ammonia ice that's in that valve or that button area that could be keeping it from moving as so that it can allow the closing mechanism to maneuver. But the crew has successfully removed 3 of the 4 hoses that they're scheduled to remove, as the initial steps in the removal of this failed pump module for the ammonia cooling system.
And Wheels, if you want to pull and try to tap at the same time, that's okay.
Roger that.
So I got a hand on it, but I can't see what you're doing, so I'm blind.
Okay, it's full forward, Oscar.
Awesome. Push that button down.
Okay, let me get that lever tool. No snap back again, no kickback, it's okay.
And there's a big round of applause down here.
Get it, Will?
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Here we go.
And so at 12:20 p.m. Central Time, Doug Wheelock using a scoop tool to bang on the detention button on that Baki connector. He succeeded in closing the valve so that he can make final preparations to demate that device. We're still standing by to hear whether or not that's what they want to do here in Mission Control. But applause in the control room as he was able to get that bail open and get the quick disconnect ready to go.
Okay. And Oscar, we got that ammonia coming out again right at the white band. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I see a bunch of it.
I see it. We are going to leave the valve closed.
Okay. And you can see it's got a pretty good snowstorm there.
I copy. And we're waiting on a go to demate.
Thermal System Control Officer here in Mission Control monitoring the pressures in that line before giving the go-ahead for demating the connection.
Does it look like it's straight in line there?
Like I said, it's hard for me to get in position.
Doug Wheelock reporting he saw ammonia crystals coming out of the area of the connection.
It looks like there are no side loads, and it looks like it's a straight line coming on.
I copy,
We
Will.
have a pretty good snowstorm coming with the.
When we demate this thing, am I going to get like that ammonia out this direction?
I think this ammonia that's leaking out is what's trapped in the connector now. I think, right, Oscar?
I don't know. Stand by.
So
As long as the
We can definitely see it.
wind's seated.
it's
keeps on coming.
It's pouring out, but good video on that?
Yep,
Oscar?
we see it, Wills. And that's just what's between the QD and the isolation valve.
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic.
Wills, we got to
There's a
go.
little Saturday morning science.
Okay, Wills, we got to go.
Little Saturday morning science for you.
We got to go for demate.
Okay, go for demate.
I don't have a hand on it yet, Will.
Okay. Now, Oscar, when I slide this back, well, I could expect probably some of this to come pouring out of the actual connector end as well, or. Let me know when you have a hand on
Wills,
it.
stand by. Wills, stand by.
Standing by.
We're still talking.
Oh, it looks Venus, DC. Snowstorm.
Yeah, I saw that.
This is Mission Control Houston. We're watching the view from Doug Wheelock's helmet camera as ammonia leaks out of that quick disconnect valve. This is just the small amount of ammonia that is between an isolation valve and the quick disconnect, and so it's not a major concern. Standing by to hear the go for demate of this quick disconnect from the connector.
I'm on my windshield.
It's sublime, and then, boy, that's a lot of pressure in there.
Raise my visor.
That was a little sporty right there. That one looked like a giraffe.